Hello there and welcome to AMT Specialist Cars in Leeds. And today I have the absolute pleasure of bringing to you this stunning bit of German engineering. So what we have here is a 2022 72 plate Mercedes-Benz CLS300dh AMG Line Night Edition with the Premium Plus package. Now what that basically means is that this car has an incredible list of equipment, and with that Night Edition giving it all the gloss black trim elements to really finish off this exterior styling. Now this vehicle's finished in the polar white with a black leather upholstery and has covered just 4,083 miles and has an absolutely superb specification. Now there is so much equipment on this particular vehicle. If there is anything that is missed, you are more than welcome to get in touch and we'll happily provide you with all of the details. So to list a few of the items, this particular vehicle, in addition to its standard equipment, has the driving assistance package. Now this is a £1,695 factory option, and this will allow the car to have the adaptive cruise control with self-steering, plus an additional whole host of other driving assistance functions. Now we also have a sliding glass sunroof, which is tinted in the same privacy glass level as we can see there from the B pillar backwards to tie it all in. We have the 20-inch multi-spoke AMG alloy wheels with diamond cut face and a gloss black inner edge. Up front we have the LED high performance headlights and those LED rear light clusters as well. Certainly worth mentioning that this is the very latest offering from Mercedes-Benz with the new type of grille we can see here, with the multiple Mercedes stars, giving it such an excellent concept look. So on this vehicle we also have the front and rear sensors, which are audible and visual. The vehicle will do a self-park if you choose. We also have a full 360-degree camera, and the reverse camera of which is kept behind the Mercedes badge to keep that clean, so that upon selecting reverse it will always be crystal clear. Full keyless operation is also on this vehicle, so as long as the key is within a metre of the door handle, you can easily access, and then there is a push start button on the inside. So Mercedes-Benz really do have the styling off to a T with the interior of this. We can see the silver ash trim right across the dashboard. Having the Premium Plus package means we have a full memory package for driver and passenger with 3 positions to save to. Heated seats for driver and passenger. We have the Burmester sound system, which is absolutely incredible quality. Coming to the multifunction steering wheel is where we'll find all vehicle operation controls, plus all of that driving assistance package easily accessible on the right hand side just there. Now we can see the full length screen right across the dashboard, and of course on the left hand side that is all touchscreen. And this vehicle has the Hey Mercedes full voice control, where you can change almost everything on the car just by talking to it. Now I'd like to come in and put the ignition on the vehicle, because what that will do is now bring up all of the ambient lighting, which even in bright daylight we can still see very distinctive, and you can only imagine just how distinctive that will be after dark. Coming into the rear of the vehicle, this is a 5-seat car, and there is ample amounts of room for rear seat passengers with their separate ventilation controls back there, plus a few other features for them. Certainly worth mentioning, we also have a head-up display on this vehicle. And an absolutely incredible selection of safety features, which you're welcome to get in touch, and we'll explain the full list of those to you. So of course, with just over 4,000 miles, the condition is absolutely stunning, exterior and interior, and we're very lucky to have this particular vehicle. So thank you once again for taking the time to watch this video. And here at AMT Specialist Cars, we like to look after each and every customer and provide a very well-rounded service all under one roof. So should you have any funding requirements, please do have a word with us. We can contact our panel of lenders to search and get you the very best deal. For any vehicle that's outside of its manufacturer's warranty, we have our partners at Warranty-Wise, who are the market leaders for aftermarket warranties, and can give us quotes for anything up to 3 years of an extension if needs be. And keeping a vehicle in the condition that you see here couldn't be easier. You can choose to have our Auto Glim Lifeshine product, which not only treats the exterior paintwork and glass, but all of the upholsteries on the interior, be that leather or cloth, are all professionally treated to keep the vehicle looking as you see here. So thank you once again for taking the time to watch the video. We'll be in touch very shortly with some calculations.